Hi everyone, my name is Lynne. I'm a travel specialist at Discover Core. And if you haven't met me yet, I'm extremely thrilled to introduce you to a trip that's just being released and extremely close to my heart. We're calling it the Culture, Craft, and Conservation Trip to Costa Rica. It actually visits the place where I live. So while Discover Core is based in San Diego, I've had the pleasure for the past 7 years of living in a town called Turrialba, where this trip is focused in. So it's a weekend getaway trip. It runs from a Thursday through Monday, and it's 5 days, 4 nights. And a couple of the highlights are, first, you get to come to Huersos, where I'm actually recording this video right now. It's right in the center of town, and it is a coffee shop and souvenir store, but also a workshop where we make bags out of Southwest Airline seats and other sustainable materials. And we employ women in the local area, so we use upcycling as a tool to do community development. And it's a really unique place to be able to come and visit and see behind the scenes how a workshop works in a rural area like we live. And you get to actually make your own product with the artisans. So it's an amazing opportunity to hear their stories, hear their life, and get to take your own luggage take home. We also have an opportunity to paint it, which is really cool. So everyone gets really silent and into it. But you will also have some free time to explore the town before we'll do an amazing farm-to-table dinner cooked by 2 local sisters. It really does include a lot of elements of curation in this experience, so that in the short time that you're here, you're getting to experience all of the richness that this area has and celebrate local people doing really great things. So even the hotel that you stay at is a local boutique style hotel that's brand new in the area and has a beautiful property to receive you at. Additionally, this trip is really appropriate for any audience, rather if you're younger or older. It is a multi-generation friendly trip by all means. And some other things to look forward to is visiting Nortico, which is an award-winning cacao farm that has amazing farm-to-bar craft experience where you actually get to make your own chocolate and learn about the whole process behind it. We also have an optional free afternoon that same day. So there is an opportunity for those who want to go rafting. If you look up Turrialba on Google, you will see that it has one of the top rafting in the world on the Pequary River. It's top 5. So a lot of people don't want to miss out on that experience. So we will give you the chance. Unfortunately, you'll miss out on making your own chocolate, but you will get to stop on your way back so that you can at least do a chocolate tasting and purchase any of the chocolate that you might want to, because it's a great souvenir to bring home. Finally, you can look forward to local cuisine, connecting with local people, and really understanding what a town that doesn't have as much tourism looks like, and how our type of tourism can be used as a form to impact communities and have a regenerative impact. So we look forward to hosting you, showing you what our life is like here, our community, the artisans. There's so many amazing people who are excited to meet you, and that includes me. So hope to see you in Costa Rica, and thanks for listening.